Subhanallah, 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 la ilaha siwah. Subhanallah, 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 la ilaha siwah. جعل الله لنا أذنان فم أنف وعينان لنتدبر خلق الرحمن سبحان خالق الإنسان خلق الإنسان من طين وعد المؤمن جنة العين رحمن ربي ورحيم سبحان رب العرش العظيم سبحان الله سبحان الله سبحان الله لا إله سواه سبحان الله سبحان الله سبحان الله لا إله سواه خلق الأرض والسماء خلق السحاب وخلق الماء خلق الشمس في الفضاء سبحان خالق الحياة خلق البر والبحار خلق الشجر وخلق النار خلق الجبال والأنهار سبحان الخالق الجبار سبحان الله سبحان الله سبحان الله لا إله سواه سبحان الله سبحان الله سبحان الله لا إله سواه
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد Alhamdulillah, my beloved and distinguished brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, and Allah Ta'ala created everything to serve Him and to worship Him alone. Alhamdulillah. And again, we are blessed by Allah for another chance to meet up to learn Arabic. Inshallah Ta'ala, today we are going to study and learn about the supermarket. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do we express the food that we buy from the supermarket, and how do we ask about the things which is near and far by using demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so let's read together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-darsu 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 As-sadisu Ad-darsu Sadisu. Ad-darsu means the lessons. As-sadisu, the sixth. Ad-darsu Sadisu, lesson 6. Okay, the topic as we see, it is As-suqul markaziyatu. As-suqul markaziyatu. As-suqul markaziyatu. السوق المركزية. السوق means market. المركزية central market. You may say supermarket as well. السوق المركزية, the central market or the supermarket. Alright, so as you see on screen, when we ask about something which is near and something which is far, for male and female, actually this is the usage that we already learned in the previous lessons, if you remember. Alright, so today is just a revision. How do we ask something which is near and which is male? Or how do we ask something is near and which is female? And as well which is far and male and female. Alright, so please look at on your right side, the blue color. What is this for male? What is this for male? Okay, for male mean for people or for objects, things. As we learned before, in Arabic language, there are male word and female word. Male word or female word. Alright? In gender, of course. Alright, so when you want to ask about something which is near and which is male, so you say ma haza, ma haza, ma what is, haza this, what is this, ma haza, what is this. Haza is used for to indicate the word, a word or a thing or a person which is male, man, boy. Alright, and if the things or the person or the object that we are indicating is female, so we use hazihi. When you want to ask about that thing or that person or that object, you say ma hazihi, ma hazihi, ma hazihi. What is this? What is this? Ma hazihi. What is this? All right. So haza is for male, hazihi is for female, and both are to indicate that things or the objects or the persons are near. All right. If a person or an object or a thing is far, we use tilka for female, tilka for female, zalika for male. Alright, tilka, that is female, zalika, that is male. So when you want to ask about something which is far and which is male, you say ma zalika, ma zalika, ma what is zalika, that, what is that, ma zalika, ma what is zalika, that, what is that. All right, and when you want to ask about something which is far and female, you use tilka, tilka, that is also, but for female, female, whether it is a person or it is an object or it is a thing. All right, so you say tilka, ma tilka, ma tilka. Ma, what is tilka? That. What is that? Tilka is to indicate a female word or a female object or a female person. All right. So let's move on. As you see in the picture, it says, learn the words and fill the trolley. As you fill the trolley, draw a trail to the loaded trolley. Okay, this is for kids and children to learn by the picture. Alright, so as for us, we look at the picture and we indicate. We indicate by practicing, by using the demonstrative pronouns haza or hazihi or zalika or tilka. Alright, so we begin or we start from the right side, sugar. This is sugar. How do we say in Arabic? This is sugar. We say haza sukkarun. We say haza sukkarun. Haza sukkarun. This is sugar. All right. Again, haza sukkarun. Haza sukkarun. This is sugar. This is sugar. Again, how do we say in Arabic? We say هذا سكر. هذا سكر. Alright, هذا, this is سكر, sugar. This is sugar. هذا سكر. And let's move to the left. This is soap. This is soap. How do we say in Arabic? That is soap. That is mean a little bit far from you. That is soap. You say ذلك صابون. صابون means soap. ذلك, that is صابون, soap. ذلك صابون. ذلك صابون. ذلك صابون. That is soap. Alright? ذلك صابون. That is soap. Alright? ذلك is demonstrative pronoun to indicate something which is far from you and which is male as well. Right? ذلك. ذلك صابون. That is soap. Alright, let's move on to the left. That is apple. That is an apple. That is an apple. So apple, tufahatun, is a female word. How do we differentiate male from female? Just to remember, at the end of a word, if there is a ta marbuta means looks like a circle ta. So whenever a word has this circle ta, that means that word is female word. All right, tufahatun, an apple. So what you want to indicate, that is an apple. That is an apple. So an apple here is female. So you must use tilka. Tilka tufahatun. Tilka tufahatun. Tilka tufahatun. Tilka, that is, tufahatun, an apple. Tilka tufahatun, that is an apple. Alright? Tilka tufahatun, that is an apple. Alright, let's revise again from this is sugar. This is sugar. We say in Arabic, هذا سكر. Sukkarun means sugar. هذا سكر. This is sugar. Alright? And that is soap. That is soap. We say in Arabic, ذلك صابون. Sabunun is a male word, so we use ذلك. ذلك to indicate an object or a person or a thing which is far and which is male. So we say ذلك صابون. That is soap. Alright? That is an apple. تلك تفاحة. تلك تفاحة. تلك تفاحة. That is an apple. That is an apple. Alright? Okay, let's move on. This is a banana. This is a banana. How do we say in Arabic? We say هذه. This is موزة. موزة. This is a banana. Please notice the word mauzatun. Alright, the word mauzatun at the end of the word mauzatun. Do you see ta marbuta? Look like a circle ta. Yes. So that means the word is female word. Female. And the thing is near. The thing is near. So you say هذه. هذه موزة. هذه is a demonstrative pronoun to indicate an object which is near and which is female. هذه. Alright? So you say هذه موزة. هذه موزة. This is a banana. Alright? هذه موزة. This is a banana. Alright? Let's move on to the next one. To the left side. This is tomato. This is tomato. Tomato in Arabic we say طماطم. طماطم. طماطم is a male word. طماطم is a male word. So, and which is near here in the picture. So we use هذا. هذا. This is. هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. هذا. This is طماطم. Tomato. This is tomato. Alright? And look at the left. On the left, the picture on the left, after tomato, what do you see? You see a bottle of oil, right? Oil. Oil, in Arabic, we say zaitun. Zaitun. And in the picture, the bottle of oil or the oil's bottle is far. So, and it is a meal as well. So we use ذلك. ذلك زيت. ذلك زيت. ذلك. That is زيتun. Oil. That is oil. In Arabic we say like this. ذلك زيت. Okay. ذلك زيت. And we revise again from the right. This is a banana. We say in Arabic هذه موزة. هذه موزة. And this is tomato. We say in Arabic هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. And that is why we say ذلك زيت. ذلك, that is oil, زيتون. ذلك زيتون, that is oil. All right, and let's move on. So here are a few more sentences to learn. All right, and we start from right side as well. The right side, there is a hand indicates to the rice, and the hand is very near to the rice, mean which is near. So this is rice. This is rice. In Arabic we say هذا أرز. هذا أرز. هذا, this is أرز, rice. Alright, the correct pronunciation for rice in Arabic is أرز. أرز. Alright, هذا أرز, this is rice. هذا أرز, this is rice. Alright, as we see in the picture as well, this is onion. This is onion. How do we say in Arabic? This is onion. We say هذا بصل. هذا بصل. هذا بصل. بصل means onion. هذا بصل, this is onion. هذا بصل. هذا بصل, this is onion. هذا means this is. بصل, onion. Alright, and the next picture, what do you see? You see a broom, right? Broom. Broom, and broom is in the picture is far. So broom is called in Arabic miknasatun. Miknasatun. Miknasatun, broom. Miknasatun. Miknasatun. Miknasatun, broom. Alright, that is a broom. That is a broom. And please notice the word miknasatun. At the end of the word miknasatun, there is a ta marbuta. Ta looks like a circle ta, right? So means this word is female word. So when you indicate an object which is female and far, so you must use tilka. Tilka miknasatun. Tilka miknasatun. Tilka miknasatun. Tilka, that is miknasatun, that is a broom. Tilka miknasatun, that is a broom. That is a broom. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. This is a towel. This is a towel. Towel is called in Arabic min shafatun. Min shafatun. Min shafatun. Min shafatun. So again, notice the last letter of the word miknasatun. Can you see the tun, ta marbuta? Ta looks like a circle ta marbuta, right? So whenever you see this ta marbuta at the end of any word, so normally the word is female word. All right. So in this picture, the towel is near, and the word towel means shafatun is female. So when you want to indicate to the towel, min shafatun, you must say hadihi. You must use hadihi. You cannot use hada. Alright? Because min shafatun is female word. So you say hadihi min shafatun. Hadihi min shafatun. This is a towel. Hadihi, this is min shafatun, a towel. Hadihi min shafatun. This is a towel. This is a towel. Alright? Hadihi min shafatun. This is a towel. Alright? And let's look at the next one. What do we see in the picture? Yes, we see an orange. Orange is far, far. Orange is called in Arabic Portugalun. 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 So the word Portugalun is male word, a male word. So when you want to indicate an object which is far and which is male, you use ذلك. ذلك. That is an orange. You say ذلك برتقال. ذلك برتقال. ذلك برتقال. That is an orange. ذلك برتقال. ذلك برتقال. That is an orange. That is an orange. ذلك, that is برتقال, an orange. ذلك برتقال, that is an orange. Right? That is an orange. And look at the next one. In the picture, we see potato, right? So this is potato. This is potato. Potato in the picture is near. So we use هذا. هذا بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. هذا, this is بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. This is potato, right? هذا بطاطس. هذا, this is بطاطس, potato. This is potato. We say in Arabic هذا بطاطس. Alright? So before we move on to the next page, let's revise this again. This is a towel. How do we say in Arabic? We say هذه منشفة. هذه منشفة. هذه منشفة. هذه منشفة. This is a towel. Alright? And that is an orange. That is an orange. We say in Arabic ذلك برتقال. ذلك برتقال. ذلك برتقال. That is an orange. That is an orange. And next one is, this is potato. This is potato. We say هذا بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. هذا بطاطس. This is potato. Alright? Alhamdulillah, I hope that you can understand. You may practice again and again until you become able to express these sentences which we just learned, inshallah. All right, let's move on to the next page. The page is for vocabulary, the words that we just learned. All right, we revise again the words and with meaning. All right, to trace the dot to let them to become a word, and then for us we repeat together with the meaning. All right, from the right side, we read from the right side. Swabunun, swabunun, swabunun. Swabunun means soap. Okay, soap. Swabunun, soap. And the next one, miknasatun, 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 broom. Miknasatun means broom. And this word urzun, urzun, actually the correct pronunciation is aruzun. Aruzun. Aruzun means rice. Aruzun means rice. Aruzun, rice. All right. And the next one to the left side, patatisu. Patatisu, potato. Patatisu means potato. Patatisu means potato. All right. And apple, apple. In Arabic we say tuffahatun. Tuffahatun, apple. Tuffahatun, apple. Tuffahatun, apple. And next one on the right side, sukkarun. Sukkarun. Sukkarun means sugar. Sukkarun means sugar. The next one on the left side, pasalun. Pasalun. Pasalun means onion. All right, onion. Pasalun means onion. The next one, purtuqalun on the right side. Purtuqalun. Purtuqalun means orange. Purtuqalun, orange. Purtuqalun, orange. And the one on the left side, mauzatun. Mauzatun. Mauzatun, banana. Mauzatun means banana. All right. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, next page it says trace the word. We must trace the words and join the word to the things. Join the word to the things according to their meaning. All right. And swabunun, of course, the first letter is empty. We need to key in, or you need to key in the first letter to form a meaningful word. As an example, swabunun, right? Swabunun, you feel the letter swa, right? So it becomes swabunun, so. And then you join the word to the picture. You linked the word to the picture. All right. And the next one on the left side, we have swalun. Swalun, swalun. What letter is missing here? What do you think the letter is missing here? Yes, it's ba. So basalun, basalun, basalun. What does mean basalun again? Yes, onion. So you write the ba on the line to form the word basalun, and then after that you link the word to the onion down here to the picture. All right, basalun, onion. All right. Next one. We have nasatun, nasatun, like that, right? Nasatun. So what do you think, which letter is missing here? Which letter is missing here? Yes, me. The missing letter is me. So key in, write the me on the line to form the word miknasatun. 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 And again, what does it mean? What does it mean? Miknasatun. Yes, it means broom. After you write me before kaf, of course, before kaf, to form the word miknasatun, and then you link the word miknasatun to the picture broom, right? Okay, next one, left to the left. We have ma tuimu. What do you think? Which one is missing letter for ma tuimu? Yes, tua. So tua ma tuimu. So you write tua on the line to form the word tua ma tuimu. And again, what does tua ma tuimu mean? What does it mean? Yes, it means tomato. Tua ma tuimu means tomato, and you link the word to the picture, tomato picture. All right. Okay, again, next one, we see on the right side, of course, Ka'run. We see Ka'run, right? Ka'run. What do you think, which one is the missing letter for this word? Yes, it's su. Sin, dhamma, su. Sukkarun. Sukkarun. And again, what does sukkarun mean? Sukkarun, yes, it means sugar. Sukkarun means sugar. All right, so you link the word sukkarun to the picture sukkarun at the top there, right? The picture sukkar, sugar in English. In Arabic, we call sukkarun, sukkar. All right, look at the left word, the word on the left side. We have ya and tun. Ya and tun. What do you think, which letter is missing here? Yes, the missing letter is za. Zai fataha za. So it becomes zaitun. Zaitun. And again, what does zaitun mean? Zaitun means oil. All right, and you write zai fataha zaitun to form the word zaitun, and then you link the word to the picture oil. All right. So, and next one on the right side, actually for this word aruzun. Okay, the correct pronunciation is aruzun. So the missing letter is hamza fataha a. Okay, you write alif. On alif there is hamza. On hamza there is fatha. So aruzun. What does mean again? Aruzun. Yes, it means rice. And you key in a at the beginning of the word aruzun, and then you link the word to the picture rice. Okay, and the next one on the left, we have uzatun. Waw and zatun. What do you think the missing letter is? Yes, the missing letter is mim fatha ma. ma. So you key in ma, it becomes mauzatun. Mauzatun. And again, what does mean mauzatun? Mauzatun means banana, right? And you key in mauzatun to form the word mauzatun, and then you link mauzatun to the picture banana. All right, and the next one on the right side, we have toa tuisu. Toa tuisu. There is a letter missing in the beginning. So what do you think? Which letter is missing here? Yes, the missing letter is pa. Pa. Pa toa tuisu. Pa toa tuisu. Potato. Pa toa tuisu means potato. All right, you key in pa, and then you link to form the word patatisu. Then you link the word patatisu to the picture potato, right? And next one we have fahatun. Fahatun, but there is a letter missing. And what do you think? Which letter is missing for the word fahatun? Yes, tu. Ta dhamma tu. So key in the letter tu to form the word tufahatun. Tufahatun. And again, what does mean tufahatun? It means apple. It means apple. Tufahatun, apple. Tufahatun, apple. All right. And let's move on to the next one. The last line of the page, we have nun and shafatun. Nun sakina shafatun. So there is a letter missing at the beginning of this word. What do you think? Which letter is missing? Yes, it's mi. Mim kasra mi. So key in, fill in mi at the beginning of this word to form the word min shafatun. Min shafatun. Min shafatun. Min shafatun. Towel. Min shafatun means towel. All right, and let's move on to the next one. We have here raw sakina and tuqalun. Raw sakina tuqalun. What do you think? Which letter is missing for this word? Yeah, it's pu. Ba dhamma pu. Right? So key in and fill in pu at the beginning of the word pur to form the word purtuqalun. Purtuqalun. Purtuqalun means orange. Alright, after you key in, you fill in pu, ba dhamma bu to form the word purtuqalun, then you link the word to the picture orange. Purtuqal means orange. All right, so let's move on to the next page. And again, this page is for us to revise again demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Haza or hazi. Haza again, haza is a demonstrative pronoun to indicate an object or a person or a thing which is near and which is male. All right, as we said before, in Arabic we have female word and male word, masculine or feminine, and so on, right? So male word and female word. So here is an example. هذه موزة. هذه موزة. هذه, this is موزة, a banana. Why do we use هذه female to indicate a female? Because موزة is a female word. How do we know that? Because by looking the last letter of موزة, the word موزة, we see there is ta marbuta. Ta looks like a circle ta. So whenever you see this circle ta at any word, all right, and at the end of any word, so we can say 98%. 98% that word is female word. So we say hadihi mauzatun. This is a banana. All right. Hadihi mauzatun. This is a banana. So this exercise for us to key in the demonstrative pronouns correctly and linked to form a sentence, of course, and then link the sentence to the picture, to the right picture. All right. And this is an example have been done for you and for us. All right. The second one, هذا برتقال. هذا برتقال. Why هذا? Because برتقال is male word. Because برتقال is male word. So we say هذا. And برتقال, orange means orange. Orange is near by the boy which is in the picture. So he says هذا برتقال. This is an orange. All right. So this is an example. So next one is for us to do. All right. So basalun. Basalun. Do you still remember basalun? What does it mean? Basalun. Yes, it means onions. All right. Onion. And onion again. Of course, in English you may find it is plural number, right? Onions. Onions. But in Arabic, basalun still singular number. So don't be confused between English and Arabic. So we just focus on Arabic. Arabic, here basalun is a male word. Okay, male word. So we just use hada. We say hada basalun. Hada basalun. All right. This is onion. All right. Okay, so you key in hada basalun. This is onion. To form a sentence, this is onion, and then you link the sentence to the picture onions. All right. And tufahatun. Tufahatun, an apple. Tufahatun, an apple. You see ta marbuta at the end of the word tufahatun. Ta marbuta looks like a circle ta. Yes, you see the ta. So mean this word is female word. So which one you use to indicate? Which demonstrative pronouns you use? Hada or hadihi for the female word? Yes, you use hadihi. So you say hadihi tufahatun. Hadihi tufahatun. This is an apple. This is an apple, right? So key in hadihi to form the sentence. Hadihi tufahatun. This is an apple. Then link the sentence to the picture apple, right? All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one, what do we see here? We see sabunun. Sabunun. Sabunun again, what does it mean? Do you remember? Yes, it means soap. Sabunu means soap. So when you want to indicate this is sabunun, how do you say? Yes, you say hada sabunun. Hada sabunun. This is soap. Hada sabunun. This is soap. And then link the sentence to the picture soap. All right. And next one, oil. Oil. We say in Arabic zaitun. Zaitun. And again, zaitun is a male word or female word? Yes, male word. So for male word, we still use hada. Hada zaitun. Hada zaitun. Hada zaitun. This is oil. All right. Let's move on to the next one. We see here toma tuimu. Toma tuimu. Toma tuimu means tomato, right? Tomato. So toma tuimu is male word. So which demonstrative pronouns should or must we use? هذا or هذه? Yes, هذا. We say هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. هذا طماطم. Alright? And next one, miknasatun. Miknasatun means broom, a broom. And we see ta marbuta, al sakal ta at the end of the word miknasatun. It means this word is female word. So to indicate a female word, we use hadihi. So we say hadihi miknasatun. Hadihi miknasatun. This is a broom. This is a broom. Alright? And let's move on to the next one. Sukkarun. Sukkarun. Sukkarun is a male word, right? A male word. It means sugar. So which demonstrative pronouns must we use? Hada or hadihi for the word sukkarun. Yes, we use hada. We say hada sukkarun. Hada sukkarun. This is sugar, right? So you key in and fill in hada to form the sentence hada sukkarun. This is sugar, and then you link the sentence to the picture, sugar picture. Alright, the down one, we say the correct pronunciation is aruzun. 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 Aruzun means rice. And again, aruzun, the word aruzun is male word. It's a male word. So which demonstrative pronouns should we use or must we use? Hada or hadihi for male word? Yes, we use hada. So we say hada aruzun. Hada aruzun. This is rice. Alright, hada aruzun. This is rice. Alright, let's move on to the next one. We see here patatisu. Patatisu, potato. Potatoes, of course, in English, potatoes, plural number. But in Arabic, it's still a singular and it's a male word in Arabic. Patatisu is a male word. So we still use hada. We use hada. We say hada patatisu. Hada patatisu. This is potato. Alright, in Arabic we say hada patatisu. This is potato. Alright, so you key in hada before the word patatisu to form a sentence. This is potato. Hada patatisu. Alright, then you link the sentence to the picture potatoes. And the down one, min shafatun. Min shafatun. Min shafatun means a towel. Towel, right? So we see at the end of the word min shafatun, tun ta marbuta. Ta marbuta look like that circle ta. So it means this word is female word, female. So we use hadihi to indicate a female. Hadihi min shafatun. This is a towel. Alright. Hadihi min shafatun. This is a towel. Key in hadihi to form the sentence. This is a towel. Alright. Hadihi min shafatun. And then link the sentence to the towel picture. Alright. Let's move on to the last exercise, which is exercise C. It says answer the questions by circling the correct answers. Alright, we start from the right one. Okay, the right one says this is to test your vocabularies, right? Your vocabularies memorization. So the vocabularies that we learned just now from the lesson. All right. On the picture on the right side, the boy in the blue shirt, his name is Burhan. So the question says, with which fruit did Burhan make juice? Look at the picture. What kind of fruit do you see? Yeah, you see orange, right? Orange. Orange is, how do we call orange in Arabic? Mauzatun or Purtuqalun? Yes, Purtuqalun. So you circle the word Purtuqalun. All right? So this is to test your vocabularies. All right. So we'll move to the left side, the picture on the left. We see a boy is reading Quran. In the Quran, there is a word, onion. In the Quran Allah mentioned about onion. So which vegetable is mentioned in the Noble Quran? Onion. Do you still remember onion? How to call in Arabic? Onion is called in Arabic basalun or batatisu. Yes, it's called basalun. Basalun, onion. So you circle the word basalun. All right. Let's move on to the next one. The next one, we have a boy. His name is Sabir. Sabir is washing his hand. What did Sabir use to wash his hands? So we have two words, swabunun and samakun. Yes, he used swabunun, soap, right? Swabunun, soap. Samakun means fish. How do you wash your hand with fish? Cannot. So swabunun, soap, right? So circle the word swabunun. All right, look, let's move to the left one. The picture on the left. Sultan. What did Sultan use to sweeten his tea? Which word means sugar? Shayun or sukkarun? Shayun or sukkarun? Yes, sukkarun means sugar. So you circle the word sukkarun, right? And by the way, shayun means tea. Shayun means tea. Sukkarun means sugar. All right. And let's move on to the next one. We have two words. We see salad, right? Salad. And we have two words here in the picture, tufahatun and tamatimu. So which fruit is in the salad? What do you see? Yes, we see tomato. So tomato in Arabic, how to call tomato in Arabic? Yes, we call it as طماطم طماطم, right? طماطم, tomato, right? So you circle طماطم, the word طماطم. And next one, zaitun. The girl's name is Zaitun. What is Zaitun using to fry the egg? Of course, she is using oil. So do you still remember how do we call oil in Arabic? Yes, zaitun. Zaitun means oil. So you circle the word zaitun, right? Aruzu means rice. All right. So, and this is the last page for today's lessons. All right. And the exercise is still going on. We have here Mishka. The girl's name is Mishka. And the question says, what did Mishka use to clean the house? She used broom. She used broom to clean the house. So do you still remember how do we call broom in Arabic? Yeah, yes, miknasatun, right? Miknasatun. So you circle the word miknasatun. And by the way, what does mean mirwahatun? What does mirwahatun means? Mirwahatun means fan. We already learned last lesson, right? Mirwahatun means fan. All right, and let's move on to the next one. The picture on the left side, we see what? Apple, right? That is Tufai favorite pie made with pie. We see a pie made with banana. Made with apple. So which word means apple? Dajajun or tufahatun? Yes, tufahatun. So you circle the word tufahatun, right? And by the way, tajajun means chicken. Tajajun, chicken. All right. And let's move on to the next one. What did Maryam dry her hands with? Mil'aqatun or mishafatun? Of course, towel means or called mishafatun. Right? Mishafatun, towel. So circle the word mishafatun. What does mil'aqatun means? Do you still remember? Previous lesson we already learned. Yes, mil'aqatun means spoon, right? So here, the word mishafatun means towel. So the correct word is mishafatun, towel. All right. The picture on the left side, next one. Which peel caused Musa to sleep? Musa's sleep, right? And he fell down. So he stepped on something. Asalun or mauzatun? A banana, right? He stepped on banana peel. So banana called mauzatun. Yes. So you circle the word mauzatun. Asalun means onion, right? Onion doesn't make you sleep. On the banana is very dangerous. That's why we must behave, right? After we eat anything, we must throw the rubbish into the trash bin, right? Don't throw rubbish, don't litter rubbish on the road. That may cause danger to other people, right? Okay, the last one. This is the last one for today. What did Arifa cook? Arifa, the girl Arifa, cooked rice. Rice in Arabic, how to call? Aruzun or kubuzun? Yes, aruzun. So you circle the word aruzun. Aruzun means rice. Kubuzun, by the way, kubuzun, do you still remember? We already learned in previous lessons. Kubuzun. Yes, it means bread. So in the picture it's not bread, in the picture it's rice. So aruzun, circle the word aruzun. And the last picture, the last exercise, what did Bashira boil to make the mush? All right, what do we see there? Potato or egg? It's like egg also, it's like potato, but it's potato, right? Potato because it's yellow color. So potato in Arabic we call patatisu. So you circle the word patatisu. And by the way, do you still remember baydun? What does baydun means in Arabic? Baydun, yes, it means egg. All right. So Alhamdulillah, we praise Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. And this is our lesson for today. Inshallah ta'ala, I hope that you learn something from today's lesson. Inshallah ta'ala. So we meet up again in the next, inshallah ta'ala, next lesson, if Allah will, of course, inshallah ta'ala. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam wa sallallahu ala rasulina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.